It's Gage, and today I'm gonna make a potato chip sandwich. So first you have to add the bread, of course. That's why it's a sandwich. So grab the bread, then see you got some butter here.
Grab some ice cream.
First you got bread, and then you need to grab the butter, and of course I got everything you need. So got the butter. There's only a bit more left. So you just put it on. I might take a while. But, no, it won't take that long. You can put as much on as you want. I'm just gonna put that much. Then you, of course, grab the chips. I don't have potato chips. I just have salt and vinegar. Then grab another piece of bread. Then, I need to put butter on the other bun. That's how it's supposed to go. Put butter on the other bun so it's a potato chip. Thank you. Then you crunch it all together, and that's how you make a potato chip sandwich.